So now we will create the forget password page. Now we will create the forgot password page. So actually the user will type in his email inside an input and receive an authentication, an account recovery link. So now we will put, I think here we will put a link beside the password. I think we will say request for the password. Actually, I will not need this class, so we will basically let everything like this and see what we got. So we got something similar to this, but I think we will just um, I need to add this class. Forgot password. And I forgot about this class. I think I already implemented this CSS style, so you can find this CSS style directly inside the startup kit you get the public repository. I think okay, nothing changed. I think we just remove this one and put it like beside the sign up title here. So we just say that we want a a float n here, maybe after this one, and remove all this class. Okay, actually I can put the float and is not working, so we'll actually maybe write flow write. I have the last version of Bootstrap. Actually that doesn't work, but we will just let me see. Let me just remove this one and put it just after this div and change this one is to div. And now we will just add this above. We add the account covering link above to not waste more time. So we just remove this. We add the margin top to 4 and this one to 2. And we will have our link here. So we say we'll say just we say forgot reset your password. Maybe yes, we will just create our key here. Say recovery. And see the link. Sorry, I just I just add the translate into the wrong file. So here we'll put the translate and this one is for French translation. So we say mot de passe oublié. So now we will reload and here we got our link. So very basic, but we work with that. Maybe I will just remove the caption. Yes, here the caption. Yes, we just remove the caption maybe. Okay, that's better. So now we will create our account recovery form. So now we will copy paste everything from sign in component and put it inside account recovery component, and just we will rename this sign form as account, or maybe to say more simple, user from group maybe. And we say send account recovery link. So after that we will just rename this one account recovery and then we will remove the email. No. This is very important. We need to keep the email input and remove the other input, so we just have the password, and we will also remove the remember me here, and we will keep our button here. So we'll say that our button will belong to account recovery. So here we have our account recovery button, btn validate maybe. And now we will have a link for, we'll say that we want a link to the sign-in component, and another maybe we say that we want a link for the sign-in component and a link for the sign-up component. And now we will add our translation after. So we will just create our form group. So here we have our user form group. So we say we have our user form group. So we will say we have our user form group, and then we will say we want a, actually this is a public because we access this variable, this form group inside the HTML. So now we say we need a loading boolean, loading variable that will be equal to false, and after that we say that we have our user form group, and here we will have our to display a loader or a spinner maybe. Yeah. And here we will first inject. So if I remember, inside the sign component we inject a form builder, and this is it for of a type form builder. And we will also inject, maybe we need to go to the line, we break the line, sorry. So we need to inject, also I think we need to inject, the most important, the authentication service, sorry, the authentication, the auth service. We also need to inject, we also need to inject a translate service. Maybe translate like inside the other component. So we need a translate service, and we need a, oh sorry, I have a typo here. So we also need, I think a toast service, a toast service from our custom toast service. And we also need a water. That's it. I think we are good. And now we just init our form group. So we say a private init form group, and we say that our user form group will be equal to, I have another typo here. So we build our form group, and we only need the email. Basically, we only need here the email like this. We say we require our email, and this is of type void, and here we say in our form group we say that we want to comment this method, this override method, and this method also. And now we want a method that send recovery link. So we say actually that this is public send account recovery link, and this will be a void. So basically I think we need to implement this service to call the endpoint that send the account recovery link. So that we will say send account recovery link, and we will need our new endpoint. So let me check quickly the API. So inside the API we have an auth service, we have our sign in, we have account recovery. So basically what we need the account recovery here. So we have our account recovery method. I think this is actually a post method. Yes. And we have, if you have not found, so yes, we need to handle to manage the error message. So basically what we have here, we have user in param, and we will say that we need our authentication service to call our account recovery service with our user inside in parameter, and then subscribe to that, and we say that in the next callback we need a user or a result. I think this type of subscribe only work with like we talked about later before, only work with this version of RSGS, basically the 750, because basically in other version of RSGS, I think you don't need to implement subscribe bear like that. We just need to subscribe and get your data provided and your error. So just need to do that here. Now if we have a success request, so we need basically to redirect the user to the login form again with a toast message. So now we will grab something from here. We will say that okay, before we need to check if the form is valid. So if this user form group is valid, and we will start this, we display the spinner by setting this to true, and after that we will call our HTTP request here, and here we have, let's prepare directly this one also. So what we have to set the loading to false and have a system message and redirect to the sign in. So here we have sign in, and we have success, and we will have account recovery here. Success. So here we just need to implement quickly the key, the transaction key. So we have account recovery. Enter your email to receive. Let's see actually what I did in the other project. In my accounting project, what I actually have as key. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, I call it just request password, maybe. Yes, request password. I have request password, and I have no. Let's see what I have. Okay, I have that. I have request password. Enter your email and resend a link to reset your password. Enter your email address. So I have enter your email address. Enter your email address, and we'll have subtitle. I have subtitle. Enter your email address to receive a link to reset your password, and we send you. Okay, I'll just grab that. So I need to waste my time. Okay, and after that, I think we have a BTN validate. In BTN validate, we have okay. Okay. So here we have enter your email, title. So we say entrez votre email. Actually, in French, address is with one T, address email. et c'est dit entrez votre adresse email et nous vous enverrons un entrez votre adresse dit entrez votre adresse email et nous vous enverrons un lien et nous vous enverrons un lien pour modifier votre mot de passe. Un lien pour modifier votre mot de passe. Et le bouton valider. Ok, we are good, I think. Now get back inside our components. Inside our components, what we need to do is, if we have a success, we need to redirect to display the success message. I forgot about the success message, so we will say that it has been successfully sent. Please check your inbox. And we grab that and replace, translate in French by saying that un lien vous a été envoyé avec succès. Veuillez vérifier votre messagerie. Non, vérifier votre boîte de réception. Votre messagerie. Now we will just here handle the error. So we already log our error inside the console for ourselves and then display a error message for the toast. So we say toast danger and we will say we want a error bad request. Bad request. If we have a not found static code, 04 static code. If we have for 04 static code, yes, no, this one is for yes, not found. Okay, not found static code. We say that we don't have any user register with this email, so we can send any account recovery link to the user. So let's actually say that inside this object. So not found email, we will say that this email does not exist in our database. Please check your email or create a new account. Cet email n'existe pas dans notre base de données. Veuillez s'il vous plaît vérifier votre adresse email ou créer un nouveau compte. So we say actually not from email is here, and the other message will be about the request. So now here we don't need any data here. And we will test that function right now to see what we got. Okay. So go back to here and we redirect to the account recovery. So actually we have our account recovery. So we have enter your email. So we'll need like in my other application, I just need a subtitle. So let's see how I put the subtitle. So the subtitle is just a simple test, central test. So let's put the I think the commentary here after this one. We say we need just this subtitle here. And say subtitle. I don't know how I put that over here. Our subtitle. So enter your email address, and we will send a link to get into. No, this is not good. Enter your email address to receive an economical link. To receive a link. Enter your email address to reset your password. We will enter your email address and we will send you a link to reset your password. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, I change it in this one. A link to reset. So now we have the email link and the Here I will have a sign in. Just we just remove that and sign in and get back here. Okay. Now let's try account recovery. So I create a new account with an email called test3email.com invalidate. And yes, I have. I think this is all good, but did I receive the toast success message? Nope. Why? I don't know. But let's see actually what we got. Forget password network. So we say test 3 email. So this is okay. I say a okay. This is false actually. The email is not sent. Yes, I think yes, the email is sent. This is okay. But uh I got this one here. I got a don't know why I got a email on email. Yes, actually I can see that the email is sent. Why I can see my sister's toast message. Don't know why. So here I have my toast, and I think maybe I don't need to go back to the sign. I just need to stay on this page and show a success message. Okay, let's try this. So sign in, sorry, and forgot password. Test 3 email. Okay, good. This is yes, I just received the message. Okay, because I have a email that doesn't exist, I receive a failure notice from my account, so you can see that. Can you see? I think. Okay, but the email is sent, and now we'll get back to our reset password. Reset password. Yes.